go all out the first time around? It's because my dad always taught me that when we do something, we have to do it right the first time, because most times we don't get second chances. My dad also taught me that if we want to be taken seriously by the business community and by fellow entrepreneurs, then we've got to invest the time and the money to make everything about our business be as professional as possible. Because first impressions do matter. It's how others perceive us and create their biases about us regarding what kind of entrepreneurs we're going to be, whether or not we're serious with what we're doing, or if it's all just cloud popularity and a facade with no actual substance. So here in this video, I'm going to be talking about the startup costs, which includes logos, website, outsourcing talent, education, copyright, and marketing materials, versus how much do I actually earn on Amazon. So first, we're going to talk about the startup costs. So the first thing that I had to pay for right off the bat was the copyright fees. I paid $50 for a certificate or a certification for my copyright for my book, and it took about 2 weeks in the mail for it to come. Then here we have logo and YouTube intro. So this person on Instagram called Profile Avatars, she will make for you like a 10-second YouTube intro. It comes with the background, with your logo, it comes with music, background music, and it only costs $115 US. However, in Canadian dollars, at the time of conversion, it was actually expensive. It cost me around $178. For editing, when I got my editing done, it costed me $47.23. That's for 3,000 words. Then here is my Illustrator. It costed me $235.80 for 11 to 12 pages of illustrations. These are the things that it came with. What kind of service he provided. Next, the formatting costed me $31.69. So obviously it's already been converted into Canadian dollars. As you can see, it says the C in there. So it's already in Canadian dollars. Next, here for my worksheets, because I'm a teacher and I also want to have resources for my co-teachers ready and available on my website, PhilMorCan.com. So I actually create the worksheets through the templates that are already pre-made by Canva.com. It's only $17 per month. Next, I paid for French translation of my book. It's $62.87. For an Arabic translation of my book, I paid $86.45. For marketing book video promo, I paid only $24.49. This one I was really happy about. For marketing on Cameo, so I hired Kristen Quinn from Selling Sunset on Netflix, and it was about $50 US. We actually ended up paying $75 to $80 in Canadian dollars. Next, we have our website. I paid about $200 Canadian for the website itself, but it came with a free domain name hosting for 1 year, and that would have been another $100. But I still had to pay about $20 Canadian for the domain name, for like some privacy service fee or something. They said I had to pay like $10 US or about 20 Canadian dollars to keep my information private. Yeah. So this one, when I was on Instagram, I was reading about this, and this is what made me go and join masterclass So yes, so that's why I joined Masterclass, and for Masterclass I paid $240 for the annual pass, which I think is super worth it because you can learn from authors like R.L. Stine, Judy Blume, Margaret Atwood, Joyce Carol Oates, Shonda Rhimes. Like, there's so many authors on there, and they give you the best advice and the best recipe for success if you're a writer or author. So I think it's definitely worth it to invest in myself for $240 for the whole year. That's like a sweet deal. In total, how much did I spend on startup costs and first book combined? It's approximately $1,200 in all. My second topic is how much do I earn on Amazon? So paperback Amazon calculation. So as you can see here on my primary marketplace, which is amazon.ca, I'm selling my book for 950 Canadian dollars. The rate of royalty is 60% that goes towards Amazon. Printing is $4.78. This is the printing cost of the book. The royalty that they get is 92 cents. So if I add $4.78 printing costs plus 92 cents in royalty, they basically get $5.70 from my $9.50. So in total, I make only $3.80 per book. Okay. The next one is ebook Amazon calculation. So my book is selling for $3.75 Canadian dollars. It's 70% royalty rate, so the delivery is 23 cents. This royalty is what I actually receive. So for that one, I make $2.46 in royalties. Yeah, so let's just go back a bit. The ebook is available in all of these different countries or marketplaces in the world. So for ebooks, I make $2.46 in royalties.